Thomas the Tank Engine, the video game, 1995. This was my childhood. This game was my childhood, but although this game has plenty of lags and mistakes, like taking children to the beach. Yeah, more likely Thomas is taking them to the... I found one lag that is quite interesting and happens in a certain situation. So let's take a look at it. You've already run out of time. It's showing you that the time is running out. So Topham Hatt yells at you, and that sun is just going, look at it, look at it. And that was the lag. That's it. One of a million if you ask me. And you can definitely find tons of these throughout the game. Subscribe, please.